your Adobe Premiere Pro running slow. Here is 2 ways to fix it. Let's check this out. First way is to clean your media cache file. Let me show it to you. Click Edit, Preference, and Media Cache. And you can click here, Remove Media Cache File. Maybe your cache file is already full and you need to clean it. Okay, and you see here, the media cache management here said do not delete the cache file automatically. Well, if you are a filmmaker, maybe you could use this feature. You could use this option. But if you are a content creator and fast-paced YouTuber, maybe you should delete your media cache oftenly. Let's say I will delete my media cache file after 10 days. Okay, 10 days media cache file automatically deleted. Okay, this is a very good option for you, YouTuber and content creator. Okay, but if you are a filmmaker, you don't want to delete your cache file automatically, because if you delete your cache file, you have to load all the cache from all the media that you import to Adobe Premiere Pro, and it will slower your workflow. Capiche? Or if you want to delete the cache file by size, you could use this option as well. Okay, automatically delete all the cache file when the cache exceeds 46 GB. For example, let's say I'm a content creator for YouTube. Mainly, I will use this option. 10 days is more than enough for content creator. So now I will click this, delete. So the pic file that generated, the waveform that generated, and etc. I will delete this to make my Premiere Pro run smoother. Easy, right? So I will show you how to clean your computer from junk and registry error, because the junk in your computer and registry error could make your Adobe Premiere runs worse. Like sometimes your Adobe Premiere Pro crash, sometimes your Adobe Premiere Pro glitching, and etc. etc. This is a very easy way to fix it. Just use CCleaner. And you could also perform a custom clean here. But if I want to generally health check my PC, I just click here and click Start. Okay, and this program needs to be closed. Okay, close and analyze. Sometimes you will find it because some browser like Google Chrome or Edge will run in your background. Okay, force close, yes. And this progress will clean up your Windows junk file. And just wait for it and click make it better. So easy. Okay, now if your Adobe Premiere Pro allegedly crash or glitching because a registry error, you could use the registry option. Here, just let it check all of it and scan for issues. And this table will show all the issues in your registry in your Windows. So as you see here, there is some Adobe registry error and we will fix it. Okay, and review selected option, let it check it all and click yes if you want to backup your registry. This is a very good practice for you. So click yes and make a registry backup like this to make it easier to manage, and just click save and fix all selected issues. Boom, easy. Okay guys, if you find this video helpful, leave a like. If you have any question, drop your comment below and see you in the next one.